Hello and welcome back everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to send an audio file on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering how in today's video we will be finding out that, so let's just dive right in and make sure to subscribe and also like this video. So first of all, open up the Instagram app on your device, and the method we can apply up is once we are logged in, we can send a voice message in DMs. So for that, look out for the DM option in the top right corner and tap on it. And that should open up this DM piece. You may just head over to one of the chats available. And once you head over here, you may basically find the option for adding a voice message. So you can find a voice message icon on your screen. So you should be finding a microphone icon. You just need to go ahead and tap on hold the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen to start recording. And then release your finger when you're done recording to automatically send the message. So you may just go ahead and do so. And then your voice messages should be available like this on your DMs. So what you need to do next is here, if you would like to go ahead and send audio file on Instagram, this is only the method available right now. So if you want to send a pre-recorded audio or a video file in DMs, Instagram does not allow us direct audio file uploads. So you will need to send it as a voice message or as a screen recording. So you can just go ahead and record a video or a audio with it on your screen. After that, you can just go ahead to the chat. From there, go over to the media option in your chat and then go ahead and select the image and then select the pre-recorded audio file from your device's gallery and tap on send, and that's it. So that is it. This recording of voice message is one of the most reliable method you can follow up if you'd like to send an audio file on Instagram. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.